Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Today's topic is creative question 2 from chapter 1. So student, let's get started our class. Class 6, subject home science, topic creative question 2, chapter 1. It is for your half yearly exam, and lecture number 5 and homework number 5. Okay, and today's date. Okay, here are given two pictures, and you have to answer these following questions. Okay, that based on these two pictures that are given here, picture 1 and picture 2. Look carefully, have a look on this topic carefully. Number A, how many divisions are there in the internal space of a home and what are they? Student, it is question number 2. How many divisions are there in the internal space of a home and what are they? Answer, there are 3 divisions of the internal space of a home. They are formal space, number 2 informal space, and number 3 working space. And number B, what do you mean by informal space? Number B, spaces where we perform personal or private activities are known as informal spaces. We take rest, sleep, study, etc., and a kind of privacy is maintained in these areas. Informal spaces include bedroom, study room and dressing room. Number C, what is the home environment at picture 2? Okay, you have to answer these questions according to the picture number 2. Explain. Number C, answer, in picture 2 a clean and organized kitchen has been shown. So in the picture 2 you can see here a clean and organized kitchen's picture. Okay, cooking and other activities can be conveniently performed in this kitchen. The cooking utensils and equipment have been neatly stacked. The kitchen room looks hygienic and free of germs. Utensils have been covered with lids and food racks have been used so that the food can be stored properly. There is no scope for domestic animals or birds to enter the place. Overall, the kitchen shown here can be regarded as a clean, hygienic and organized one. Now, question number D, home environment at picture 1 is the main obstacle to healthy development of family members explained. It is a picture number 1. Okay. Now, you have to answer these questions according to the picture number 1. Number D, picture 1 depicts the scenario of an unclean kitchen. This is an obstacle to the sound development of the family members. The kitchen shown in the picture looks dirty and disorganized. Food items have been kept uncovered. Besides, animals like dog, cat, hens and ducks are seen to be loitering about and touching the food and kitchen utensils meant for cooking. Consequently, the environment there is unhygienic and the food items are prone to get contaminated with germs. If the family members take food prepared there, their bodies would be prone to be affected by diseases. Thus, it can be said that the home environment in picture 1 is the major obstacle to the sound development of the family members. So, student, this is our question number 2, and have a look on this topic. It is your homework number 5 and topic creative question A and B from question number 2. So, student, you have to prepare your homework at home and then submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.